let's start with the introduction. So please introduce yourself, then I will introduce myself.
Yeah, of course, of course. Thanks for asking about myself. My name is Varun and I am from West Bengal. Now I'm a student. I'm studying college. I'm studying BSc in Physics honors. And now I'm learning this language, and also I am running a YouTube channel. That's all about me. So say something about yourself.
Yeah, definitely. And so this is Abdul Kadir from Sindh, Pakistan, and currently I'm pursuing my bachelor's in English literature, and I am in my final year right now. If I talk about my hobbies, so I like to watch movies, TV shows in my free time in English, obviously. And apart from that, nowadays I'm having these kind of online conversations to improve my English and fluency in English. So yeah, that is pretty much about me.
Okay, great. You're running a YouTube channel.
Yes, I have started my YouTube channel about a month ago and it is going great, I would say. So yes, what about you? How long it's been that you have opened your YouTube channel and how many
Yeah,
sessions have you had till now?
actually, I've been running my YouTube channel almost 1 year ago. It may be 1 year. And nowadays, actually, I practice with a unknown person in English, and I upload. I think three or two video I upload on my YouTube channel, like a conversation, English conversation video. Yeah,
So how many conversation have you had yet?
almost five conversation
Oh, so you are like
on
a
this
beginner. You
application
have
only.
okay this application. So have you been using any other application for conversation before that?
No, no, actually, I didn't use, but yeah, I used to do like one application for audio call, Be English application.
Oh, that
Yeah,
is nice. So, what interested you to like? How did you get interested in learning English, into speaking English?
okay. Actually, my reason behind it, actually, in this time, I'm studying college. And when I was studying 1 to 12, that time I was a Bengali medium student, and now I'm studying college. So that's why I'm actually reading English medium. So actually, I was thinking when I was first year, that time I was thinking I should learn this language, because when I speak with my teacher, so that time my teachers speak English, and that time I can't speak English. And that time I was feeling I should learn this language, and it will be helpful for my confidence also. So I should learn. That's why actually I'm learning this language.
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
very true. When you speak to someone online physically, like not physically but virtually, you are making an eye contact with a person you are talking to. So it will definitely help you build your confidence as well as your English will get better, as well as your communication skills get better. So it is very nice. So could you tell me how did you find about this online sessions? Like how did you find that people are having these online conversations, and how did you find about this app? So please elaborate it.
Yeah, of course, of course, of course. Actually, I did inform on this application like from YouTube. I was watching one day. I was watching video, conversation video. That video, one teacher said about this application. That time, I install this application and I use. Before
And
15 days, it will be.
oh,
Yeah.
that is nice actually. And similarly, I also found about this like 5 6 months ago. I was also searching on YouTube about like how to get fluent in English and something like that. I was searching on YouTube and I was scrolling and scrolling. I was seeing so many videos, but suddenly I actually come across to this kind of conversation where two people were having conversation. Firstly, I didn't understand what was going on. Like it was like I had no idea. I thought it might be some job interview or something that people have recorded and uploaded on YouTube. But then I like read the title of that YouTube video, speaking practice, and I was like, what? Like what the hell is going on? So then I opened it and then I watched it for a few minutes, and then I got to understand that people are trying to converse with each other to improve their English. Then I found their email in their description, then I approached them, and from then I have been having these kind of sessions, not regularly because I am also an student and I am busy with my studies. So I do actually do like these conversation in 2 or 3 days gap in between. So yeah, and similarly, I also find about this Skype through I did my first session. That like there was a girl from Pakistan, and I approached her. I contacted her on Gmail, and she told me to install Skype app. So from then I have installed it, and I have been connecting to so many people. And the group that we are in the group that there are so many people, and I don't know who added me in the group. Still, I don't know, but I am thankful for that person. If it is a girl or boy, I'm thankful to them for adding me in the group, because there are so many people are available, and you just have to drop a message. If anyone will be free, they will connect you. Similarly, just now I dropped a message and you are free, so you approached me, and it was really good, when you like
Yeah, yeah,
when you
yeah,
find people easily for practicing English.
yeah, 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 really. Okay, so now please say about yourself. Actually, I don't know. Where are you from and what do you do now?
Okay, okay. So I think I already I think mentioned it, but again I will tell you. I don't know if I have a session before that, so I am confused in between. So let me introduce. I am
Okay.
Abdul Kadir from Sindh, Pakistan, and currently I am pursuing my bachelor's in English literature. So I am also a student, and yeah, that is pretty much about me. And then I guess my hobbies are to watch TV shows and movies in my free time.
You are studying English honors.
English literature.
It's literature. Okay, so in which year you are studying?
I'm in my final year right now. I'm going to be graduating very soon, like in few weeks or in month. Like I have given my final exams already. Now I am waiting for my viva. It is going to be held in couple of days or couple of weeks. I don't know, but it is going to be conducted very soon. So after my viva, I will be graduated completely.
Okay, you said you are from Pakistan.
Yes,
And okay, so by the way, what's your mother tongue?
Sindhi,
Hindi. It's
Sindhi,
like,
Sindhi,
sorry?
Sindhi, Sindhi.
Sindhi. Okay, okay, okay,
Yes.
Sindhi. Okay, please say some sentence. Actually, I don't know.
Okay. In Sindhi.
Yeah, yeah.
मुंहिंजो नालो अब्दुल कदीर आहे. It means my name is Abdul Kadir.
Okay, if I talk about how are you? So this sentence.
तव्हां कीअं आहियो?
Oh, okay, it's a
Yeah, it
complicated
is.
for me actually.
Yeah, like you are hearing it for the first time, or you might have heard about it, but you haven't spoken it, so it might be difficult for you. Similarly, when we learn English, it is difficult, but now as we speak, we have got a command over it. Now it's easy
Mhm.
for us, but initially it was difficult. And like the national language of Pakistan is Urdu, so I can speak Urdu as well. It is similar. Urdu and Hindi are similar. It is
Yeah,
like
yeah.
in spoken form it is similar, but in written form it is difficult. Like Hindi has some like their own words, and Urdu has own alphabets. So yeah, it is in differentiate in written form, but it is similar in spoken form.
Okay, you are studying English literature, so it is actually it you speak English in your college, or it is helpful for your English speaking because you are
Yeah.
studying English literature. So
Yeah, yeah. Yes, I do speak English, and I'm a university student. So like in most of the universities, the medium is English, and
English.
I'm also learning English literature. So there is English in it. So we have to speak English. We have to learn everything in English. So we do speak English in our classes, but the problem is that when we speak English, uh, teachers don't correct us if we are making grammatically incorrect sentences. So that
Mhm.
was the reason that I have joined these online, taking these online sessions to improve my, grammatically correctness. That is why. Otherwise, I'm pretty much fluent. Like I have been speaking English in my classes as well. So yeah.
Okay, great. So when did you learn this language, and when did you decide? So I should learn this language.
Okay, as I mentioned that I am a student of English literature, so I have been learning English like from long years back, like 4 or 5 years back. But when it comes to speaking part, it's been 6 or 7 months that I have decided that I need to focus on my spoken part. I need to correct speak English grammatically correct as well. I was pretty much fluent as I mentioned, but my grammar, like I was making some grammatically incorrect sentences while I was speaking. So then I decided, okay, I should do something. Then I find about these sessions 5, 6, 7 months back, and from that time I have been having these conversations, and yeah, this is how I have been like practicing and speaking.
Okay, okay, great. So do you watch YouTube for English learning?
And nowadays, no, but like initially, a few months back, I have been watching YouTube videos, but nowadays, I'm not watching as many videos because I am having these conversations. So it is kind of that I am learning it. I don't need to do anything else because otherwise, I'm also busy with my studies as well. I have Viva in few days, so I have to prepare for it as well. So that is the reason.
Okay. If anyone want to learn this language, so what kind of grammar should learn for English speaking? Because many people said, if you want to learn this language, so you should learn grammar. Basic grammar is important, but I don't know actually what kind of grammar is important. What's your opinion?
Basic grammar, like a basic grammar is like a sentence, tenses, what is present tense, what is past tense. They should at least know the basic grammar, that is present tense, past tense, perfect tense, and their variants like present simple tense, present negative tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and similarly with other tenses as well. They should know that how the sentences are made in future, in past, and present. This is the basic grammar only, and other than that, they should know the basic vocabulary as well. Few words they should know, and if they don't know few words, what will they be talking? Like they don't know what is the meaning of eating, what is the meaning of playing, something like that. So they should at least know basic grammar and basic vocabulary. If they don't have any teacher, they can learn from YouTube. Like there are so many videos available on that. And when it comes to speaking, when they are speaking, they should not focus on grammar, because if they focus on grammar, they won't be able to speak like the way we are speaking like right now, the fluently. Because what will happen is that they will think sentence in their mind in their native language, then they will translate it in English, then they will speak. So many, if you go through YouTube, though, so many people who are very experienced teachers are experienced in this language, they will always suggest new learners, beginners, to not focus on grammar, and they just need to speak in English whatever comes in their mind. So like slowly and gradually, as they keep speaking, they will get grammatically correct, like slowly and gradually, but initially they should not focus on grammar. So this is
Okay.
my tip to new learners.
Okay, great. Okay, so if you have any questions, so you can ask.
Okay, so I would like to know your English journey. How long, like how, as you told me that you are in college, you are supposed to speak English there. So tell me how are you learning it? You are doing these conversation. Apart from that, are you doing anything else? Are you following any other methods as well?
Yeah, actually, I do listening practice a lot from YouTube, and then I do writing. When I go to sleep, that time I write one page, like whatever I did in a day, that thing I do. After that, speaking part, nowadays I practice on this application. Yeah, that's all for English.
That is
And
very
I'm
nice.
I'm very intro person. Ki I am not talking with a in my college student, my college friend.
So I really enjoyed conversation with you. So I will definitely
Okay.
connect with you again. We will decide some topic and we will speak on that. Okay.
Yeah, of course, of course, of course. Okay, thank you. Nice to talk to you. Bye.
Same to you. Same to you.